Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming exactly what you have: wired Apple Earpods or wireless AirPods. If you have wired buds, plug them into the controller 3.5 jack now, because that gives instant audio and mic support. Once done, make sure the controller is powered and the console recognizes a headset. If you have AirPods, grab a low-latency Bluetooth transmitter or a USB Bluetooth adapter designed for game audio, since Xbox doesn't natively stream game audio to most Bluetooth headsets. Once you have an adapter, pair it to your AirPods by following the transmitter's pairing steps. Usually hold TX pairing, then open AirPods case or use pairing button. Next, navigate Xbox settings, right arrow general, right arrow volume and audio output, and choose headset format. Stereo uncompressed for best compatibility. Make sure game/chat balance is where you want it, and test with an in-game sound or party. This ensures both game audio and chat are routed correctly, and highlights any latency or level issues early. Finish by verifying the mic works in a party and confirming the other players hear you clearly. Make adjustments to mic monitoring and volume as needed. If you detect latency or static, move the Bluetooth transmitter closer, switch to a low-latency aptX-LL transmitter, and remove nearby Wi-Fi interference. Make sure firmware on adapters is current, and if chat still fails, use the Xbox mobile app for voice or revert to wired earpods for guaranteed mic support. One quick troubleshooting tip: unpair and re-pair the TX and AirPods to clear pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.